Hi guys, I'm filming with my HUAWEI phone. I'll show you why in a second. My music box that's solar powered on that panel is the phone jumping around? Sorry if the phone's jumping around, I don't use this very often to do filming. What I want to show you, quite a while ago I did these little phone brackets, little hands that grip your phone so you can stand it up. I don't actually need one on my phone because it's got a bracket on the back of it, but Nanny did. So I did them, and then today, because of the height of the sun or the lowness of the sun in the sky, I wanted to have this solar panel at an angle to try and catch some more sun. This is the solar panel that powers my music box when the sun shines. So I thought I'd redesign my little gripper thing, bracket, so that can stand in there and hold it up at an angle for me. So that's what I've done. No point at the moment because the sun's too low in the sky, so it won't catch the sun now anyway. And I think I'll bring his hands in a bit more because they can be much tighter there. I've got quite a gap there, so I will adjust that, do another print. I'll put some video on in a minute, some video clips I did of this actually running in the sunshine today. Because it was nice, you were able to walk to the room and the music could be playing because the sun was shining. The sun has moved round, so it's not on the solar panel, so it's now running off the supercapacitor. That's version 2, a slightly tighter fit. It's still not tight, it's designed so we can move it up and down to adjust it. So version 1. Version 2. I'm now going to switch the light on, see if we can charge up the supercapacitor. Right, light going on. It will take a while to charge it. Oh, there we go. Started already. It'll get faster as the supercapacitor charges up. If I move the light away, it keeps playing until the supercapacitor runs down again. I just like these, I think they're fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.